But in this class, my sir has given a topic, and the topic is what is the importance of jam test class. So, my dear friend, according to my sentiment, jam class is very important class. In this class, I have to perform well because in this class, my sir has given me many topics, and I have to tell about that topic. So, my dear friend, according to my sentiment, that topic is very in this class, the sir has given me many topics, and every topic was very important. First of all, I want to tell you about jam test class. So, my dear friend, it is because of this class you know how to converse. You know how to speaking fluent English. You know how to speak.
Something what is the importance of money, because it is because of money you can do anything in your life, because if you have money, everyone will respect you, everyone will support you, everyone will also know what is you know that what is the importance of money, because if you have money, everyone will respect you, everyone will say how are you, but
how are you telling that money is most important? Without money you are good for nothing. My dear friend, I think so that health is most important. Without health you are good for nothing. My dear friend, if you have good health, you can earn money. And if you don't have good health, you can't earn money. Because my dear friend, it is because of good health you can do any job, you can do whatever you want. My dear friend, suppose that you are a patient of diabetes. My dear friend, and you have a lot of money, but my dear friend, it is because of not good health you can't eat everything whatever you want. My dear friend, I think so that money is
But my
very
dear friend,
important.
according to my sentiment, with the help of money, you can easily improve your health. You can easily improve your your health.
But my dear friend, if you don't have good health, you can't do whatever you want. My dear friend, if you don't have good health, you can't do anything. You can't go to your money. You can't go to your office. And if you don't have good health, you can't earn money. And if you don't have money, you can't earn medicine. You can't buy medicine. You can't buy food. You can't buy dry goods, my dear friend. Not my dear friend. If you don't have good health, you can't earn money. Because my dear friend, if you don't have good
With the
health.
help of money, everything is possible. So, my dear friend, how
But
can
my
I
dear
say
friend,
without
according to my
money,
sentiment,
that is not
without
possible?
health,
With the
everything is
help
not
of money, I
possible.
can easily
Money is
easily
need,
buy
money is
medicine.
not,
I can
money is
easily buy
man-made.
everything.
But health is government, my dear friend. Without money, you are good for nothing. You are saying me to me.
But my dear
But my
friend,
dear
it is
friend, according to my
not
sentiment,
money is
health is
everything.
very most
Because
important. Without
money is
good health, you are good for nothing, my dear friend.
बाप बड़ा में सबसे बड़ा रुपया.
But my dear
According
friend,
to
money
my
is
sentiment.
need. Money is not our weakness. We
But my dear friend, in this
shouldn't
world-
make it our weakness.